Good morning. So we do have this meeting coming up today, and I just wanted to touch base as we are prepping to do that here. I have the file here, and it's in QCAD, and right now it's sitting at around, I guess, inch and 40.45 inches. So we're gonna size it up and see what's going on here. First off, I do want to make sure that I'm in these settings. The way I got to these settings is I went to edit and then I went to drawing preferences, my dimension settings. These are my dimension settings here. I have my format in engineering format and my format for angular dimensions in decimal degrees. Honestly, nothing that's really the engineering will at least give us the inch markers that'll allow us to see, hey, we're actually in inches. Um, then I have my drawing unit set to inches, inches imperial, and of course my grid type. Ooh, we're not going to do that. Ooh, nope, that was an accident. There we go. Going back to auto. All right, so that's where I have everything set up right now. Nothing in grid spacing really needs to be changed unless it's not all on auto, but everything is on auto here. So outside of that, this is where we stand. I have a couple of extra things on this side of the screen. They won't impact what's going on here. However, I do have a download for the most recent update on QCAD, and same thing with SheetCam that is being sent in an email to you with this with a link with this video here. So, all right, what I'm going to do first is when I'm in my pointer tool up here, I'm going to just click and square select everything. So click and drag until I get a square that highlights everything. Now over here, I'm in my modification tools. I'm going to go to my scale tool, and I'm just going to go to the bottom left-hand side of this. I'm just going to click a random point at the bottom left-hand corner. Cool. I'm going to delete the original. I have this, and so we're doing a traditional scale here. I'm going to come down to the bottom right-hand side here. Click. And I'm going to really zoom out here, and I'm actually going to get it to go out to, let's say, 4 feet, shall we? Yeah, there we go, 4 feet. And click. And that should have expanded out to the 4 feet. It looks like it should be there. So we have things appropriately scaled out in the QCAD program. The QCAD program, just by looking at it, I go to zoom in. Look, that's at 4 feet. Awesome. Okay, let's check the next aspect of this. Cool, we have all of this lined up. I'm going to go ahead and go File, Save, and I just saved it as Cathedral Panel DXF. I'm going to go into QCAD here, and I've already, SheetCam here. I'm going to go File, New Job here, because I just finished doing the same thing once before making this video, just to ensure that it's doing it right. And I went File, New Part. I want to import a new part. It's a DXF. I have my Cathedral panel. I hit Open. This is the one that you sent me. This is the one we just edited right there. We hit Open. Inches, bottom left-hand corner. I hit OK. It's going to remove duplicate vectors. The one thing that's going on right now is the fact that it's such a large file with so many vectors. It's going to take a second. Looks like it all came in. Let's check against our job size here. Visually here, let's go to Options, Job Options. I have a 48 by 96. Cool. I hit OK. Looks like the 48 matches my 4-foot width there. I like that. Because of the way this piece is made, it's when you scale it out to the 4 foot, it's actually longer, probably closer to 10 feet of space in order to make this particular piece. Again, entirely doable, but that's how I would initially scale this out. This is how the process should go. If it's not going like this, then one of the dimensional units happens to be off. So I'll actually go in Option, Application Options, and my display units. Let's go to units. I have inches, degrees, inch per minute, TPI, and seconds here. Threads per inch. That's all. We need to make sure that that's the case. If it's not, then you're also going to experience issues here. Outside of that, you're not going to see a whole lot else going on over here. I'm going to go ahead and click exit out of those. So that's where we're going to get started. This is what I want you to look at or consider as we get going. Run through this, and if not, then there's also a download segment on this, on that email that I just sent out to you. So take a look at that, and we'll go from there.